Namaste children, welcome back to social science class. In today's class, let us learn about Africa, the central continent children. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. It's also second in the it's also second in respect to population also. You can see here children Africa and Asia is the first largest. Okay, it is the first largest continent. And here, Africa is called the dark continent. Africa is called the dark continent. Why it is called dark continent? It is not because of the predominance of black people, that is Negroes, but because of the obstacles to explorate its interior. The plateau rim extends to the coast, and in the north, the Sahara Desert was a formidable obstacle to reach its interior. And there are 52 countries in Africa. Let me tell you about the location of Africa, children. Africa lies between 37° north and 35° south latitude. You can see 37° north and the 35° south latitude. And 17° west to the 50° east longitude. It is very interesting to note that the equator almost passes through the center of Africa. Almost it passes through the center of Africa. Hence it is known as the central continent. Both Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes through Africa. The Prime Meridian cuts across Africa on its western side. And the extent, children, you can see the total area of Africa is 30.4 million square kilometers. And the continent measures about 8,000 kilometers from north to south and about 7,400 kilometers from east to west. Its northern extremity is Algiram Point in Tunisia, and while in the southernmost point is Cape Agulhas in South Africa. And let us learn about the physical setting of Africa, children. Africa is bounded on the west by the Atlantic Ocean and it is on the north by the Mediterranean Sea, on the east by the Red Sea as well as Indian Ocean. In the northeast, Africa is joined to Asia by Sinai Peninsula. Though it is now separated by the Suez Canal, Africa is separated by Europe by the Strait of Gibraltar and the Arabian Peninsula by the Red Sea. The coast of Africa is around 30,500 kilometers long. 30,500 kilometers long. And let me tell you about the physiography of Africa, children. The physiography of Africa is largely a reflection of its geological structure. The whole continent can be considered as a vast plateau made of ancient crystalline rocks. It rises steeply from narrow coastal fringe. Hence, it is difficult to enter the interior of the continent. The plateau is higher in the southeast and slopes gently towards northeast. When compared to its size, Africa has fewer high mountains and fewer lowlands than any other continents. The coastline of Africa is almost straight and it includes a few large basins, estuaries, and natural harbors. There are no bays and inlets that cut deeply into the coast. And now let me tell you about the Great Rift Valley, children. A flat bottomed valley formed by the sinking of the land between two normal faults or deep slopes is called Rift Valley. A flat bottomed valley formed by sinking of the land between two normal faults or deep slopes, it is called the Rift Valley. The Rift Valley of Africa is long and therefore it is known as the Great Rift Valley. That's why it is called as the Great Rift Valley. And it is in Y-shaped. You can see the Y shape there. It is in Y shape and is one of the most striking and distinct topographical features of Africa. It stretches from Mozambique. It stretches from Mozambique in the south. You can see Mozambique in the south and through Malawi, Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia and into the Red Sea. This is the Red Sea. Okay. And Gulf of Aqaba, the Dead Sea, the Sea of Galilee, and it ends with the valley of Jordan. Jordan Valley, it ends with. It is in Syria. And let us learn about the basins of Africa, children. There are 5 important basins of Africa. You can see here the Sudan Basin. The Sudan Basin, you can see. Can you see this green color? This is the Sudan Basin. It is drained by the White Nile and the Blue Nile rivers. This is the world's most extensive marshland, which is known as Sud. Next comes the Chad Basin. You can see here Chad Basin. Chad Basin is occupied by Lake Chad. This basin is a swampy area and the Sahara Desert encroaches upon it. Next is the Joff Basin. You can see Joff Basin. It consists of Western Sahara Desert and is found along Mauritania-Mali boundary. It is drained by river Niger. The Congo is also called as Zaire. Congo or the Zaire Basin. You can see here. It's a great structural basin which is occupied by a plateau. River Congo and its tributaries flows across it. It's a forested area. And the 5th one is the Kalahari Basin. The Kalahari Basin is mostly a desert and steppe area. It is surrounded by the plateau rims. Okay, children. Now, you read all these lessons, all these up to the basins of Africa, children. Watch the video and read the lesson up to basins of Africa. Thank you.